All right, so we're here at B's Custom Garage. We just finished this 87 Grand National, and it's time to put in sound deadening material into the trunk area. So all this will be fitted with Noico Sound Deadening material. All right, so the first step before you affix any of this sound deadening material is to go ahead and degrease whatever area you plan on applying it to. And the reason you want to do that is to make sure the surfaces are clean, free of any contaminants, and that way the sound deadening material sticks best. So the one thing you'll notice is all the Noico sound deadening mats, what they do is they actually have a convex foil texture, and it's an indicator to let you know that you've applied enough pressure. So you can see the difference right here where it's prominent. So for hard to reach areas, Brian uses a panel popper so we can squeeze under and apply the appropriate amount of pressure. So here's one trick. If your floor has any grooves, like these ones here, then what Brian likes to do is he uses a round wet sanding block and he drives them through the grooves to get them seated, and then he begins to put the rest down.